Hey friends, if you wish to manage credit card information and addresses on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. It is very important because Microsoft has changed its policies recently, and earlier the payment information which was stored on Microsoft Edge and linked with your Microsoft account is not stored on Microsoft Edge now. I'll show you what has happened. So we will open Microsoft Edge. We'll click on these three dots at the top right corner. We will select settings, and now on the list on the left hand side we will search for payment and addresses, but there is no such option. Okay, so what would you do in that case? You will search for payment in the search bar to see if there is something, and yes, there is something called as Microsoft Wallet. Now if you click on payment in like this, it will take you to the Microsoft Wallet, which is a part of your Microsoft account. So you can add cards here. So you can notice that the system is very different now. You can add cards here, okay, and you can add payment methods here. But you should also note one more thing, that your payment information, I'll show you. Your payment information will be saved directly to your Microsoft account. It is not saved on Edge, it is saved on your Microsoft account here. Okay, so you can add a card here, and that card will be available for all of your purchases across all Microsoft products, including Windows and OneDrive and everything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.